Struggling men. Do struggling men even deserve a date? Do they deserve an opportunity? Huh? Do they deserve a good woman? I don't know.
Saying I don't want him, well y'all know y'all keep me from my boy. Me and him were good last time we spoke and he was visited. Years since I hugged him cause it's people in insanity. Another father-son relationship full of damage and better in every sense, but man they still refuse to handle me. They don't care if you hurting as a man still. Must be rare at every chance and make it up the hill.
What up though? I am your boy King Richard, aka the God of Rap from Creative Minds Entertainment. If you don't know by now, baby, you should know your boy. Struggling men. Do struggling men even deserve a date? Do they deserve an opportunity? Huh? Do they deserve a good woman? I don't know. But this sister does. Let's get into it.
They see the dollar signs, the status, the lifestyle, all of which are attached to a man that's not worth her time, but that's exactly who gets all of it. See, what you don't understand is the same man that you look down on because he was working a 9-to-5, regular guy, out every day grinding to make it, is the same man who would have treated you right, but you overlook the person you should have seen. And that's the case with so many women. A person will show you who they truly are when you have nothing to offer them. When you have little to no benefit to offer is when you will see what a person is truly about and where your relationship stands. A lot of women neglect the beauty of dating a struggling man, but that's where the foundation of trust is built. The loyalty, the commitment, because he's not trying to win you over with any money because he doesn't have it. He's going to win you over with effort, consistency, and that comes with respect. See, you only value and respect something that you had to work hard to get.
And I'm going to just stop it right there for a second. Notice that she said that the man that is struggling, that is trying to make his way in this world, trying to make his finances, trying to leave his mark on this world, if you will, the everyday average Joe is the best mate for you. During this struggle, you are able to get consistency. You are able to get love. You are able to get commitment, loyalty, all those things that you say as women are very important for the foundation of team building. A lot of women have a problem pair bonding with men like that. You know why? Because it's all about the fast life. It's all about what benefits her immediately and not about what benefits them as a couple. You want to do all of the social media antics. You want to take the Christmas pictures. You want to take the Thanksgiving pictures. You want to do all of these little love things visually. But you don't want to sow into the man. You just want him to pour into your life. You ever notice that the number one thing that women talk about when they talk about what kind of man they want? They talk about having a provider, a protector. They never really talk about his character. I don't understand that. And there's nothing wrong with wanting those things. But the problem is they're so high on your list that it's going to be impossible for you to have a real love connection, a spiritual connection, if you will, with this person, because you're bonding over resources. You're bonding over things, materialism. You're not actually bonding with the person from a heart perspective. Let's get back to the video.
That's where 90% of the time the guy with wealth falls short. He has no respect for you. He didn't put in any effort with you. He didn't have to work to build a foundation with you. He simply bought you. To him, you're just another prize on the shelf, something to pull out when he wants to play with it and throw back when he's done. That's what most wealthy men do. They buy things because they can, not because they need it. Hell, sometimes not even because they want it, just because they can. They're more intrigued with the fact that they can buy you instead of actually being intrigued with you.
She said that you come at a monetary cost. You're just a toy to him. The guy with the money has more options than most average Joes, if not all average Joes. For some reason, this is the thing I just can never understand about women. Why do you want the man? I've said this in another video. Why do you want the man that everybody else wants? Even from a statistical standpoint, the likelihood that you'll get this man to yourself It's so low, it's not even worth attempting to grab. Why do you want the man everybody else wants? Why don't you shoot for men that no one wants? At least you'll have more of his attention, more of his appreciation, more of his love, more of his commitment. These are intangibles and invaluable things that some of you will say you want. But yet you keep shooting for the men in the 5 or 10% range, or even the 20% range. Then become surprised that you have to share him with a bunch of women. They want the same thing you want. You should want something different. You should want something that is for you. You say you want your own, but you don't act like it.